Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, install a reliable VPN app and confirm it connects for at least 30 seconds. Next, open your device settings and enable the VPN so system traffic routes through it. Then, update Telegram to the latest app version in your store to ensure compatibility. Finally, back up important chats using Telegram settings before changing network or proxy options. This preparation prevents lost messages and helps you verify whether Telegram routes through the VPN connection. Open Telegram and tap Settings, then choose Data and Storage to find Proxy. Tap Add Proxy and select MT Proto or SOCKS 5, then enter host, port, and optional password. Use specific numbers like port 443 or 1080 based on your proxy provider's instructions. After adding, toggle the proxy on to route Telegram traffic through it immediately. If you prefer the VPN app, toggle Use System Proxy off and rely on the VPN connection instead. To switch, open your VPN app and choose a different profile or server location before connecting. Then return to Telegram and confirm the app shows a connected proxy or normal connected status. Use Telegram's test connection in Settings and open a web IP check to confirm your visible IP changed. If messages fail, clear Telegram cache or force close the app and reconnect the VPN. Repeat until Telegram consistently sends and receives messages through the chosen VPN or proxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.